Hello and welcome to this video on fundamental analysis versus technical analysis. If you're new to investing, you may be wondering what these terms mean and how they can help you make informed investment decisions. Fundamental analysis and technical analysis are two different methods used to analyze financial markets and make investment decisions. Both approaches have their strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between the two ultimately depends on your investment strategy and goals. Fundamental analysis focuses on evaluating a company's financial health and growth potential by analyzing its financial statements, management, competitive position, and other factors that affect its performance. The goal of fundamental analysis is to identify undervalued or overvalued stocks based on their intrinsic value, which is the value of a company based on its assets, earnings, and other financial metrics. Technical analysis, on the other hand, focuses on analyzing the price and volume of a security to identify trends and patterns that can help predict future price movements. Technical analysts use various tools, such as moving averages, trend lines, and chart patterns, to identify buying and selling opportunities based on market trends and momentum. While fundamental analysis is more suited for long-term investing, technical analysis is better suited for short-term trading and day trading. Fundamental analysis can help investors identify quality companies with strong financials, but it doesn't necessarily predict short-term price movements. Technical analysis, on the other hand, can help traders identify short-term trends and patterns, but it doesn't necessarily provide insight into a company's underlying financial health. In summary, fundamental analysis and technical analysis are two different methods used to analyze financial markets and make investment decisions. Each approach has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between the two ultimately depends on your investment goals and strategy. That's it for this video on fundamental analysis versus technical analysis. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for learning how to find intrinsic value of stock to find undervalued stocks to earn long-term gains.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to channel for more such videos on such important topics. Like and share with people to keep us motivated to bring such useful information.